Hello guys, happy Sunday. Hope you had a wonderful day today. Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Rhoda and this is the Cookalicious kitchen where we always make amazing recipes the easiest way. On the menu today is chicken pie. So I'm going to be showing you my version of chicken pie, how I make my chicken pie. So first of all, let me introduce you to the list of the fillings. So I'm going to be using garlic and my stock cube. I'm also going to be using my chicken. So I already cooked my chicken, seasoned and cooked it. I freezed it, so you can see it's been in the fridge, so that's why it's a little bit strong. So I have my carrots and cabbage, paprika, my black pepper, my curry, I have my onion, and I have my potato. So this is what I like to make my potato. I like to first of all cook it. I like to cook before I use, so you can make your own the way you pan. I'm going to add a little bit of oil. I'm going to salt it with my ginger and garlic. I'm going to be adding my chicken. I'm going to let it fry for about a minute before I add the rest ingredients. Add my seasoning cube, my black pepper, this optional, my paprika, my curry, and we are going to give it a stir again. So taste and adjust your salt at this point. And I'm going to be adding my potato into it. And I'm going to be adding the stock from my chicken. I'm going to stir properly. Now you can see that the mixture is not light, it's thickened up, so you don't actually need cornstarch or flour to thicken it. We're going to let it cook for 2 minutes and my fillings will be ready. But if your fillings is light at this point, you just need to add just a little bit of flour. So I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. 2 minutes later, my filling is ready. You can see it's ready. So I'm going to let it cool down before I use it. So to make the dough, I'm going to be using 500 grams of flour. So I'm going to sieve it into a bowl and remove the dirt. So I'm going to be adding 2 pinches of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar. So I'm going to be grating just a little bit of my nutmeg, let's say half a teaspoon of my nutmeg. So this is it. So you're going to, I'm also going to be using margarine. So I'm using 250 grams of margarine and I'm using King's. So you're going to mix properly until you get something crumbly, until it becomes crumbly. So this is the consistency we're going for. It has to be very crumbly. So we're going to add our water into it. Now you can add cold water. You're going to use cold water, or you can use cold milk. So I don't have milk, so I'm going to add a little bit of powdered milk, then I'll add water. So I'm adding a little bit of powdered milk. water in batches and stir. So at this point, we're going to transfer it to our work surface. And we don't need to massage. So you don't need to massage it so much. We're going to let it rest for at least 10 minutes. Then we'll come back for it. 20 minutes later, it has rested. I'm going to roll. So I'm using my plate to make partitions. So you fill it and avoid the edges, because you have to layer it like this. I'm going to be using a fork to seal the edges. So I'll do the rest and I'll show you what it looks like. So transfer it into my baking pan, and I've already greased my baking pan with butter. So I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. So I'm coating my egg on it. So this is the remaining one. I'm going to put it and let it bake for 20 to 25 minutes, depending on how high or how low your oven is. So my oven doesn't have a timer. It has high, medium and low. So I'm going to put it at medium, and that should take like 25 minutes. Hey guys, see, it's ready after 30 minutes. See, it's looking so delicious and eatable. Please, if you have watched this video up to this extent, please do well to subscribe, like and drop a comment. I'll be delighted to read your comments. Thank you so much for watching. Now let's do a tasting of this delicious meat pie. See, it's very crispy. So wow, did you see it? It looks so nice. Thank you for watching. See my other video. Bye.